Hello. I was trying to get Coco. So I'm out here with the girls. Coco, when she was eating this morning, don't hit my phone case. She started coughing, like, you know, she swallowed wrong or choked, and she does that upon occasion because she eats too fast. And normally she'll do it once or twice and that'll be it, but today she has continued to keep coughing. Just every once in a while she'll start coughing. So I'm trying, I'm not sure if that can be a sign of worms. I've been trying to get fecals on them, but they don't do it when I'm out here. You have to have a fresh sample, and I did get one from Kaya last week, but unfortunately it was on a Friday. I took it to the vet and there was nobody there to do it, so I'm still trying to get one. Look at her, she's such a big baby. So I'm kind of hanging out here a little bit and seeing if I can get one, at least off one of them, because whatever one of them has, if they have anything, the other one has. Now I've checked Coco's eyes. I've checked them both, really. And Kaya's eyes seem a little bit more pale than Coco's. That is a sign of being anemic, but they actually looked pretty pink to me. Though I'm not an expert in goat eyes. It's called FAMACHA. You take their FAMACHA score, and there's a chart that shows you, you know, depending on what color of pink or red they are. They should be kind of bright red if they're getting good blood supply. If they're more on the pink side, then they could have worms. But I don't like to just treat, you know, just give them warmer to give them warmer. Some people do that. They warm them every 6 months and they just take a guess and give them, you know, what the common one is. But I don't like to do that because then they get immune. They start building resistance to certain types of medication because, you know, you give them medicine for worms they don't have, then that's, you know, not good. I know if you have a large herd and you can't get fecal samples off of them, that might be a okay practice. You know, a lot of people do it, but I only have the 2, so I want to know what I'm treating for, as there are things called barber pole worms that can be very deadly to them very quickly. So I'm keeping an eye on them and seeing. Look at this little girl, she's so sweet. She just stands here and be petted all day long. She don't care. She don't care. Oh, yeah, pretty girl. So I'm gonna hang out with them for a little bit and see if I can get a sample. And hopefully there's somebody at the vet today that can run it for me. It's tomorrow's Friday, so we'll have to see. I'll keep an eye on her. So far, since I've been out here, I saw her coughing when I was eating lunch. You don't eat my phone. She hasn't done it since I've been out here. So we'll see how she does. Well, Coco can't feel too bad. We're beating the snot out of each other. We've been tussling for the last, I don't know, good 15 minutes. Y'all done? Nope, they're still gonna... Ouch. That sounds so painful, but they have hard heads. You hear our neighborhood hawk squeaking. Squealing, I should say. I'm still hanging out trying to get a fecal sample. They just decided to do world wrestling here. What is that? WWF? Is that what it is? Oh, now we're biting. Okay. Y'all getting rough. I need a third goat, so we have a clear. They both think they're head of the herd. And they're both pretty equal. Just got you backed into a corner there, baby girl. Alright, well, if y'all aren't going to give me a sample, I'm going in. It's about your nap time. They were kind of laying down, then they got up, started tussling. Nope. No biting of ears. Ow. God, that's loud. Watch out. Watch out, baby girl. Goodness.